Hello, my name is Ross Godso, the CEO of the Realtor Association Hamilton-Burlington. And with me today is our 2014 President, Tim Manioli. And welcome, Tim. It's a pleasure to be here with you.
Thanks, Ross. Good to be here with you. We're going to be talking about the 2013 market this morning and also do some forecasting as to what we think the 2014 is going to look like. We basically went through 2013 with a fairly low inventory, which wasn't surprising considering we came out of 2012 with a low inventory. We looked at listings in 2013 of 20,716 listings, of which we were able to sell 14,070 of them. We had an average sale price, or total volume, of $5,474,000,000, a respectable number. In residential, we had sales of 13,444 units. Average sale price was $383,846 with an average days on market of 44.
It's very interesting. You mentioned average sale price, and in a lot of cases, average sale price is somewhat misleading, or somebody has the perception that when they hear the Realtor Association of Hamilton-Burlington and they hear that average sale price, they think that's the average sale price of a house in Hamilton. The average sale price, Tim, in Hamilton is $307,000. In many of the areas in our marketing area, the average sale price is under $200,000, and also in some areas we have sale price over $400,000. And the only thing I can qualify that by is it's very, very important that the public deal with a realtor who is a member of the Realtor Association of Hamilton-Burlington. They know the market, they know the communities, they know the areas. Moving forward, so how did we actually do in 2013? And we had forecasted, Tim, that we'd have 19,500 listings, where in fact we had 19,000. We had forecast we'd have 13,500 in sales, where in fact we had 13,444, which is very, very, very close.
People are going to think we know what we're doing.
Well, that's good. I'm glad, very happy to hear that. The other interesting part about this average sale price, etc., we had actually predicted that we'd see an increase in sale price somewhere in the area of a rate of inflation. And in fact, at the end of the year, we saw an average price increase of 6.7%, which is quite good. So I guess the question now arises, where do we go from here as far as 2014 is concerned?
We're expecting a similar market. Interest rates are expected to stay low. The Bank of Canada overnight rate stayed at 1%. However, the long-term rates are expected to bounce around a little bit. Consumer confidence eased somewhat through Q3 and Q4 of 2013, with fewer than 40% of Ontarians thinking that it was a good time to make a major purchase. Provincially, unemployment rate was the same throughout 2013 as it was in the year before. However, unemployment numbers in Hamilton, the CMA, have been steady and even decreased throughout November and December. So things are still looking really good. Lastly, inflation rate was below 1% in October and November, which tends to reflect the housing rates. We predict we can be cautiously optimistic for 2014. We're looking hopefully around 14,000 residential sales, 19,500 residential listings, slightly more of a seller's market as we go through 2014, and average sale price, we're expecting it up by about 3.5%. So overall, we're looking at a pretty good year again.
I think, Tim, you made two very interesting key points, and this has been very prevalent in the real estate industry for a number of years, and that is, number one, the interest rate issue, and secondly, the consumer confidence. And those are really something that, quite frankly, I think that not only the public, but also our members, the realtors, should keep a very close eye on in terms of what's happening in the whole economic environment, and because that has a direct impact on consumer confidence. And also that could have a direct impact on the interest rates as well. Just before we wrap up, I know that you spend most of your time in the commercial real estate sector of the industry, and have you got a comment you'd like to make on the commercial part as far as related to the greater Hamilton-Burlington area?
You know what, Hamilton has been ranked by outfits like the Real Estate Investment Network, the Conference Board of Canada. It's one of the best places to invest. We've got a great economic development department in the City Hall, and they've done wonderful things going out to companies around the world and showing them the benefits of coming to Hamilton. The people that are here that can service the industries that are coming in, I mean, we've got a really good base of talented, employable people in the Hamilton area. So it's good all the way around. People see the value in Hamilton and our proximity to the border, to Toronto, to the airports. It's a great place to be.
Yeah. No, I would agree with those comments, and I think it bodes well for the future of the employment issues related to the greater Hamilton and Burlington area. There's an opportunity here, but nothing but expansion as far as moving forward. So folks, that's what it is, and we expect the real estate market to be somewhat similar in 2014 as we experienced in the last few years, and both Tim and I would be available at any point in time. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to respond. So thank you for watching.
Thank you.